Ladies and gentlemen, this is your weekly outlook of prediction, stocks and crypto. DataZero. Right off the bat, man, you're a member for 7 months. I appreciate you, my dude. Right off the bat, starting it off with the hype. I appreciate you, member, for 7 months, man. You all showing his love and support. I appreciate you, dog. Right off the bat, we get it popping. Let a few people get in here real quick. Then we'll start the show. You already know what it is. Crypto bleeding, breaking down from the pennant. We got a lot to go over. I warned everybody about this move yesterday. Bano in the building, Ape in the building, Party in the building, Baby in the building, Huntman in the building. This is your weekly outlook and prediction, stocks and crypto. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have a lot going on. Crypto seeing a lot of downside. We're going to try to break this all down into a video. I just want to see, get online here with y'all. At least get this out there just in case I don't get the video, which I normally do, you already know. That's the plan. Make a video. So yeah, man, crypto's about to see a decent move down. Unfortunately. That bearish pennant played out, unfortunately, here. So we're going to see a move down for BTC. So we're going to be talking about that here. So we'll be talking about that, and we'll be talking about a few other things here. Shout out. So we still have 15,700 subscribers. So we're getting close to 16K if possible. If you guys want to help out with that, all you got to do is hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that like button and subscribe. You already know what it is. Right now, you guys are seeing a massive crypto dump. Kind of has me worried for what we could see here tomorrow morning. So this weekly outlook and prediction is going to be very, very tough. You know what? I might have to switch it up and go with the red week. I was going to go with the green, a very small green week. I'm going to switch it up and go with a red probably. And I'll explain why. Double top on. We're going to have some recovery. We are going to get some bounce. There's RSI trending up while price trending down. We are going to get some bounce, but it's going to be a continuation to the downside, and the bounce is going to be very short. We're definitely about to get a bounce here. You can see that momentum is building up here on NASDAQ, and then you can see RSI trending up as price trends down. So we're getting bullish divergence here on NASDAQ for sure. So yeah, and then as far as AMC and GME are concerned, AMC has been holding up pretty well. But the thing is, you know, if the market really starts capitulating, you're going to see some pullback in the memes. You're just going to see it. Other than that, you know, you guys should either take profits or sell, or get ready for a wild ride, because I'm expecting something like Volkswagen where you see a big dip to the downside before you see any upside. So, and the crazy part about this is, if I'm wrong about this, or if you guys are wrong about this and you continue to hold and it falls down and doesn't come back up, what are you gonna do? So it's literally zero or MOAS. I've been in this thing for a minute now. You guys already know my story, but I've been trading this thing. I've been holding this thing. I've been building positions off of the big run up. You know, I did take profits there because you don't see your portfolio go 3,000% and not take profits off of that. But did take some profits, bought back in, literally asked the community, hey, should I hold during the reverse split? Community says yes, hold. And then that's when I fully commit to the idea of zero or a MOAS, where I'll either be handing these shares over to my child or cashing them in for a significant amount of cash, fiat currency, which I then can use to move into cryptocurrency. Now, I want to talk about the massive crypto shakeout that we're about to see. We're about to see a massive crypto shakeout. Crypto fear moving back into extreme fear. It's almost into extreme fear. It's going deeper into fear. We're seeing Bitcoin break down. All right. Out of the pennant. I talked about this yesterday. I said they can break either way, but this is looking ultimately bearish. Why? I said because we were below the key level of 91.6K. Couldn't get back above it. Also, we have the downtrend leaning into the pennant, which most likely means we're going to continue down. So this is a bearish consolidation. We came down, bearish consolidation. We make another move down. Overall, head and shoulders continuing to play out. Now, it kind of just looks like Bitcoin is maybe catching up with maybe NASDAQ if it is correlating still. It's kind of still not correlating because NASDAQ just kept dropping and it dropped to these low levels, and it looks like Bitcoin is just now going to drop to those levels. Bitcoin hasn't even made a lower low than the 78K. Now, I do believe it will, but it's so damn bullish that they have a hard time pushing it down. This is a shakeout, okay? I don't know how long you guys been in crypto. I've been in crypto for quite some time. I've seen this numerous times before. This is what we call a shakeout. I've tried to explain numerous times. Again, I have to repeat myself because people watch different things. So this is a shakeout if I've ever seen one on crypto. Okay, y'all. This is a shakeout if I've ever seen one on crypto. I've seen multiple shakeouts. Shakeouts normally occur on crypto when there's a bullish narrative and a bullish undertone, and especially after you just had a recent rally, you'll see all of a sudden people get scared because they want to shake the new people out. Well, I don't want to say they want to shake the new people out, but they want to acquire more Bitcoin from you because they want you to remain poor. They don't want you to have any assets. And I know that sounds crazy, but if you really look into it, they literally don't want you to have any assets. If you listen to the world, they've said they want you to own nothing and be happy. If you haven't heard that, then you're sleeping, okay? They literally said that. They want you to own nothing and be happy. Owning assets is a way of maintaining and building wealth, okay? Assets, they only want those reserved for the richest of the rich. They don't want us common folk owning assets. So once you buy a piece of the 21 million Bitcoin pie, that is yours. Do not give it up. Not financial advice. Do not give it up, okay? Because the dollar's going to shit. Bitcoin is going to maintain. The dollar's going to shit, okay? Not financial advice. So, make sure you guys, girls, ladies and gents, if you do have your Bitcoin, you know, in my personal opinion, don't sell it. Now, we're going to see some downside. I'm going to be buying some more Bitcoin and picking up on this. That's what the smart money's going to be doing. Let's go ahead and just hop into trading view real quick and see where the buy orders are. We have buy orders at 79, 78, 76. Yeah, kind of those price targets I gave you guys to the downside. Buy orders at 73, 69. Yes. See, that's because we're going to come. Look how I called this perfectly back here. This movement here. Called that perfectly. I love seeing my predictions running back and then. But right where this bull flag accumulation, this is where I expect to come back. This accumulation zone. In fact, it's obvious that we're going to come back to this accumulation zone here. We're going to come back to this accumulation zone here in this range. And we'll come back down. So BTC will come back down in this 70 to 54 range. Remember, BlackRock got in around 49K. It's not going to go below 49K where BlackRock got in. And then it's going to go back up and make a brand new high, absolutely rocketing to the upside. Bitcoin is undervalued right now. I'm going to be buying a bunch because the move that it makes after this accumulation, it's in a massive accumulation. If you look at BTC rainbow chart, it's in a massive accumulation, massive buy zone. It's been in a massive buy zone. So the move it's going to make after this accumulation is going to be just disturbingly high. Especially if we get Bitcoin reserve on top of ETFs. We already have ETFs creating demand, but the thing about Bitcoin, the more demand it has, the higher the price will go naturally. Just because fiat will continue to degrade, inflation will continue to increase, Bitcoin will have its fixed hard cap. It's literally a genius, bro. So again, crypto's about to have a major shakeout, coming down to about 72, 69, maybe 58K range. And crypto and altcoins are going to dump. Altcoins are going to dump with BTCs. It looks like freaking Ethereum might dump all the way down. So we might see a major shakeout before the next move up. This looks like it's probably getting validated here, this macro. We were looking to try to get one more move up before the flush out, but I think that things are getting shifted down the road. I've seen this happen before, again, where the narrative is bullish. The narrative is bullish, but this looks like a nasty double top on Ethereum too. And that would bring Ethereum back down to fill this gap. There's a macro gap here actually at 800. It'll probably wick down. If you can get Ethereum for $800, That's a fucking absolute steal, because remember, Ethereum is the same coin that was just worth 4,000, and it will easily go back to 4,000. So, you know, if you could turn $800 into $4,000, would you not do it? Because I'm definitely going to be doing that if I see Ethereum go anywhere near that gap fill. Not financial advice. Some of the biggest opportunities are in crypto, again. But I'm very bullish on crypto and do hold crypto for full transparency. We got Tony in the building. We got Kai Supreme, regular. We got 67 people in the building. Leave a rocket in the chat right now. If you're in the building right now, leave a rocket in the chat right now. It is a weekend stream. Weekend stream popping off. Weekend stream popping off. We got 59 people in the building right now. 59 people in the building. 108 views already, man. Weekend stream. Somebody already dropped a membership tag. It was like 7 months. Homie, let's see. The homie. Manuel holding it down. Thanks to people like Manuel members, we're able to do this every day. People that, you know, have that members and been holding it down for several months. I appreciate you. I'm going to be trying to add more value to members. I have been posting members only content. Make sure you hit that like button if you haven't, please. Hit that like button if you haven't. Hit the like button if you haven't. And leave rockets in the chat. Leave something in the chat. Let's get the energy up. Let's get the energy up right now. I want to see everybody drop. We got 61 people in the building, so we should easily be able to have 61 people dropping rockets in the chat right now. Just go wild with it. Just get crazy, you know what I mean? Just get a little silly with it, man. Get a little stupid with it. Fuck it. Oh man, I cussed. There goes my monetization. I'm done, dude. I bet you AMC pulls back to 302. So I'm gonna let everybody know about that right off bat. This beat is crazy. All right. More rockets. Yeah, that's what I like to see. See, when the energy's like this, that's when it's most fun. Everyone's just popping off, just having fun, just doing their thing. You already know what it is, man. Rockets in the chat. You dig. This is the weekly outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just some guy on the internet. Please do your own research and technical analysis before buying any stock or crypto asset. I believe my Twitter literally says, or X literally says, I'm a YouTuber guy. So again, I'm just some guy on the internet. Make sure you guys do your own research. Yeah, see, YouTuber guy. You know, I'm just a YouTuber guy. I'm a stock and crypto investor, you know? I've built my wealth over the years of grinding and building portfolios. You know what I mean? I'm an investor, dude, you know? So make sure you do your own research. Yo, we've done it! So now some haters probably gonna unfollow, but I don't care. We officially broken above. We finally gotten past 2,100 followers on Twitter/X. Yo, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter/X. We're trying to break and hold 2,100 followers. So follow me on Twitter/X if you don't mind. You already know what it is. And then also, if you guys don't mind. Okay, no, that's it. Never mind it. Yeah, how does Trump sign orders to establish the Bitcoin reserve and then crypto goes down? This is a definite shakeout. Buy the rumor, sell the news. As we were coming into the crypto reserve, it went higher. The crypto reserve came, it pulled back. Next thing, it'll go up later as the fundamentals improve. As long as you see that fundamentals keep improving, which they are for BTC, we're getting the ETFs, now we're getting crypto reserve, Bitcoin reserve. As long as you keep seeing that kind of stuff, that progress and that progression, then you know you're right. Oh, shoot. Wrong button. Also, yeah, this is what I wanted to point out. Thank you so much for everything, because we're at... I'll show you guys. I don't know what happened. I don't know how it happened, but I'm thankful. We were streaming on Friday, and it got crazy. Friday got crazy, and we were able to pull off the unthinkable. And DataZero stock had a short squeeze. I don't know if you guys can see this on your screen, but you should be able to see it on the right-hand side of your screen. It should be the same side as my camera. You guys should, and I'll direct your attention to the small little box called the sub counter. And we were able to have a DataZero short squeeze. So if you guys know it's been volatile lately, so that volatility leads to short squeezes, obviously. We didn't know we were going to get a short squeeze, but by golly, it happened. So we've been in this consolidation range for the last, about 30 days. We have the 28-day map right here. We pushed up to about 15,549. Then we got a big pullback down to 542. Then we started trending back up, but we overall consolidated right underneath 15,550. We consolidated underneath that. We finally broke above and held the 15,550 level and got a big move to the upside, got this bullish bull fly consolidation, and then got another squeeze to the upside to 15,700, all the way from the base of 15,618. Almost 100 subscribers, ladies and gentlemen. Shout out to any new subscribers. Welcome to the DZ fam. DZ stock just had a short squeeze. Now we had a short squeeze here as well. You can see we went from 14,600 all the way up to 15,200. So this has happened before. This was a little blip compared to that blip, but I appreciate each and every one of you, man. I appreciate each and every one of you as we continue to grow and we continue to thrive. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Thank you for investing in DZ stock. Now let's move on for the weekly outlook and prediction. So GameStop has a gap fill to the downside, which it's going to need to fill. And I think it's going to fill it tomorrow. I don't know why. Yeah, we're going to come down, but I think GameStop's bottoming. We still haven't broke above sloping support and resistance. So it's going to start off bearish, and then the end of the week's going to be bullish, I think. It's going to be a slight green week. Slight green week. No, I don't know, man. I think we're going to get one more red, dude. I got to be honest with you guys. I got to stick with my gut, man, on this one. I think we're going to get one more red week, and I got to keep it 100 with y'all. I got to keep it 100 with y'all. I have to. I have to. Yeah, I gotta keep it. I'm gonna look at the technicals. I'm gonna break it down. That's why I do that's why I do the live stream first. I'm gonna break it down and see what I see here. Is it to 10/14? Is that the month? Yeah, 10/10 or 3/10 at 10/14. Make sure you hit like. 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 60 likes. No. Yeah, 65 likes. Gifted. 65 likes for a gifted giveaway. If we can get 65 likes, gifted giveaway. How can I announce this? Start a poll. Nah, we have to do 75 likes. Please don't do it. Please don't make me get rid of my last $2. Please. Why won't it let me start the poll? Must contain. All right, so there.
Yo, 14, you got another one.
See how SPY is starting to build bullish momentum? I swear it's going to push up first and then go down, but it's still going to be a red week. And this is going to confuse a lot of people, I think. I think SPY is going to end up holding and then pushing up and then continuing down. And it's going to confuse a lot of people. It's going to confuse a lot of people. Because you see how RSI is trending up, price is trending down, and we could easily go down a little bit further before this happens. Like you could come down, bleed out a little bit more. You see how the alligator's starting to curl to the upside? Yeah, I think SPY's gonna like flatten out and try to push its way up. Dump down one more time, flatten out, and then try to push its way up and then break down. It's gonna confuse a lot of people. We have core inflation on Wednesday. It's gonna be huge. So I'm gonna call for Monday to be kind of flat. We're gonna look. I'm gonna give you guys the key levels to look at, and I'm gonna call for a red week. If we get 75 likes, I will do a gifted giveaway to the community. I repeat, if we get 75 likes, I will do a gifted giveaway for the community. You heard? So make sure you guys hit that like button right now. Hit that like button right now. What the heck just happened? What the heck just happened, bro? What the fuck is this, dude? Yo, my bad, bro. If you guys just got like a crazy bunch of commercials, dude, that's just... YouTube be messing up behind the scenes, bro. YouTube just threw in like 5 commercials at once, y'all. So I don't know. Everybody's probably going to leave at this point. But it is what it is. We got to keep the show going. Live stuff happens, bro. Live. We have 15,703, man. I appreciate you. 200 views on this live stream. Yo, last time I did this, I streamed for about an hour and a half. And we got 600 views on the live stream. And 1,300 views on the video. 1.9 total. Let's just see where we're at right now. And I appreciate each and every one of you. So weekly outlook and predictions at 1.3. 1,305 views. And the weekly outlook and prediction live stream, 662 views. All right. So GameStop. GameStop, I think, is going to come down, fill this gap. It's going to be bearish a little bit on Monday, probably. And then try to push back up. I think GameStop is in the bottoming process, but it's going to take time. I think GameStop will make a higher low than this previous low here. And that's the key to know if we're going to make a higher high. Roaring Kitty deleted all of his posts? Nuh-uh. Let's see if this is confirmed. Uh-oh. Is he abandoning? Oh, we got to make a video about this right now. We got to make a video about this right now. Thank you for the information. Who was that? Shout out Chico. Shout out Chico. Shout out Chico. Shout out Chico. Roaring Kitty abandoning the movement? Find out. Also, hit the like button because if we get 75 likes, guess what happens? Gifted giveaway. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, if you own AMC and GME, you're going to want to know this. Check it out, check it out, check it out. Things are going down in the meme stock world. Let me explain and let me show you. So, if you haven't heard and if you haven't seen, Roaring Kitty has deleted all of his posts from his X/Twitter. Now, there are a few reasons that this could be. Is it because the SEC is potentially looking into him and he wants to, start deleting things, cover up his tracks per se, even though he didn't do anything wrong? Let me know in the comments down below. Or is he abandoning the movement entirely? Is he moving on? Is he done with GameStop? Is he done with the stock market? Is he done with trading? Maybe he knows the crash is coming and he knows what we're about to see. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think right now? This is all just speculation at the moment. I want you guys to keep your head on straight and let's look at the facts. But right now, we can see that he has deleted everything. I'll show you guys once again. So this is his Twitter. I will F5 refresh it. And you guys can see right now there's nothing but this original pinned tweet on his. So he does still have the original GameStop tweet, but that's it. Everything else is gone. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments down below. What do you think it means? Is he abandoning the movement? Is he getting rid of evidence for the SEC, even though he didn't do anything wrong, just making it harder for the investigation? Or maybe is he just starting fresh? What do you guys think this means for GameStop and Warren Kitty? Let me know down below.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, if you...
Perhaps maybe he's even setting up for another move, making a surprise tweet, one big tweet. Who knows? Let me know what you guys think.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, y'all, let me just make this vid real quick. My bad. This is just breaking news. Have to get this out there. So again, guys, so here's the key takeaways from this video right now so far. Bitcoin is going to dump. Roaring Kitty has deleted all of his tweets. Bitcoin is going to dump. Roaring Kitty has deleted all of his tweets. These are the key takeaways. I think Bitcoin is a shakeout. Key takeaway. AMC and GME are probably going to experience some downside, except AMC is probably going to end up holding $3. But if the market absolutely tanks, AMC will pull back. It looks like it's going to try to hold $3. Let's see if those buy orders are still there. Still massive amount of buy orders. AMC is going to push up, but they have these sell walls to try to pin it. So that's the whole problem. Looks like they're trying to accumulate, possibly, and again, this is just a theory, this is not 100% fact, possibly because the market is crashing, they want to accumulate shares for the low. That way, if the market does crash, they have shares where they could cover. Again, short interest is coming down for both AMC and GameStop. We do have to be very aware of this. 6.78%. Again, you want about 8 to 10% for a short squeeze. Again, now if all 6.78% covered, plus who knows how many unknown shorts there is out there. But I like to just deal with the numbers. I told you guys this before. That way I know for sure, because the speculation is unknown. Yes, we can speculate saying, yes, they have synthetic shorts and stuff like that, but do we know that 100%? You know, yes, I'm 98% sure they have synthetic shares. But do we know that for 100%? No. We know for 100% fact that at least 6.78% short interest. And remember, short interest is self-reported. So it's probably more than that. We all know this. But we know for a fact that it's 6.78% here on GameStop. And 8.73% here on AMC. Let me put this on here real quick, y'all.
If you own AMC and GME, you're gonna want to know this. Check it out. Things are going down in the meme stock world.
Someone said he didn't, bro. They're there now. I literally just refreshed it.
Roaring Kitty has deleted all of his posts.
I literally refreshed it on the video. There's no tweets there, bro. Dude. I just made this and hit F5. You're crazy, dude. I literally just made this. Let me put the title on this real quick, y'all. I'm sorry. Someone's in the titles in the comments claiming They're there now. And like, bro, I literally hit F5 in the video, and the video is 20 seconds old. Bro has mad cope. If you hit replies, they seem to be here. But if you hit post, what does that mean then? They just maybe made it private? We'll dig into this. We'll dig into this. Okay, hold on now. Media is saying that you could still click on these and see and reply, okay? We're going to break this down even more. All right, so let's dig into this, folks. If you hit post like a normal account, there's nothing. But if you hit replies, you can see the tweets. And if you hit media, you can see the tweets as well. What does that mean? What does that mean? Does it mean he went private? Maybe his account was hacked, perhaps? Interesting. What do you guys think? I still see them within the post tabs. Yes. The post tabs and the media tabs, you can see it. I'm going to have to break that down in the video. So I put that out. I put the short video out, but I'm going to break it down. In fact, we'll drop another short video. All right, so we have an update on the Roaring Kitty situation with the deleted tweets. Check this out. All right, so right now, as of time of recording, I'll go ahead and hit F5 just to refresh the page. You guys can see I just refreshed it. This is Roaring Kitty's page. If you see post, if you have post like a normal account, you see nothing, okay? There's nothing there. But if you go into replies, you can still see the replies and the tweets, and you can still reply to them. You can interact with them. And if you go to media, you can see them as well. What do you think this means, guys? Let me know in the comments down below. If you go to post, there's nothing like a normal account. It's just gone. Only the main post right here that he has pinned for a while is there. Replies, you can still see the tweets. Media can still see the tweets. Does that mean he made his account private? Or let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Does it mean the squeeze is coming? Let me know. So yeah, this is what we know at the time. I don't know if it's different for you guys, but this is that time of recording. Only post are blank, and then replies and media, you can still see the tweets. What do you guys think this means for Roaring Kitty and the GME and AMC movement? Let's see what the community says. That way we can get some answers. I see all his posts right now. Well, I can't for some reason. Maybe he blocked me then. Maybe he blocked me. Okay, so I think GameStop's going to push up. You know what? I'm just going green week. Because I think GameStop's going to push up here. It's going to be starting off red, though. And it's going to lead into a little bit more bullishness. Because GameStop's going to push up with SPY. SPY's going to break out of this channel. And it's going to push to the upside. Green week. I'm going against the grain, baby. Because SPY's going to break down in the beginning, but then it's going to push up, fill this gap, and then continue down. GameStop's going to get a rally off of that and follow SPY, breaking above the sloping support and resistance and bottom out like I think it's going to do. And AMC is going to hold $3 like I said it would, because I said AMC is not going to break under 3, and if it does, it would only go to like 295, and that's exactly what it did. And I think we're going to hold blue above the blue medium line 4-hour time frame. Bollinger Bands constricted. Green MACD. SPY, GameStop, and AMC are about to push up this week. Nobody's going to expect it either.
All right, so we have an update on the Roaring Kitty situation with the...
So this is going to be the video. And I appreciate anybody watching right now. If you miss it, I got to start the video now, though, because it's getting late. I didn't realize how late it is. It's almost 8 o'clock. How long have I been streaming? What the heck? I've been streaming for an hour already. I got to get this video. Dang it. I hope I can do it in one take. It's going to be hard. All right, let me put the tags on here. Maybe he deleted his tweets, but then he brought them back, and that's why they're showing up like that. Maybe he deleted his tweets and brought them back. We got 69 people in the building. 69 people in the building. Listen, if we get 75 likes, I'm doing a gift to giveaway. Make sure you hit the like button. Yo, make sure you hit the like button to help the cause, because I'm doing a gift to giveaway if we get 75 likes. It's up to you guys. We got 66 people in the building right now. We're actually popping off. 71% of the people said they always hit like to help support. Let's get this video ready. AMC, GME, market fear and greed. Market fear and greed. We got core inflation coming out, and forecast says it's gonna be lower than the previous, which could be very bullish for the market. Yeah, you could see the market push up off this. Yeah. PPI on Thursday. Consumer sentiment Friday. I'm kidding, y'all. I'm kidding. We got 70 in the bed, and listen, the key to life is not taking yourself too seriously. That way you don't, get too stressed and stuff like that. So that's what I do here. Altcoins absolutely bleeding. XRP is the only one with gains remaining. For this year. It's horrible. Altcoins absolutely bleeding as expected with this Bitcoin pullback. Bitcoin's pulling back horrendously, so altcoins are going to bleed. But this is what it is, y'all. If we get one more like, I have to spend my last $2, which I hope that's not the case. Please don't make me do it, y'all. Please don't make me spend my last $2. Please don't make me spend my last $2. If we get one more like, I have to spend my last $2. This is gonna be crazy. It looks like we might have. These 75 likes. Make sure you guys check out the merch store. You don't even have to buy anything. Just check out the merch store. Just click the merch store link. Drive some traffic to the merch store. Just look at it. Just get familiar with the DataZero merch. I would appreciate it if you guys did that. But it looks like I do have to give away my last $2, $3 that is. We already had someone right off the bat, 7 months, Manuel, holding it down, showing love. Right now, Manuel holding it down for 7 months right off the bat. I will be doing a gifted giveaway, so if you want your chance to win, you need to leave a comment in the chat right now. If you want your chance to win, leave a comment in the chat right now. If you want your chance to win, leave a comment in the chat right now, as we will be giving away a gifted membership. So one lucky person's gonna be, we have 80 likes now. One lucky person's gonna be getting a membership. So if you do not have a membership right now and you want your chance to win, leave a comment in the chat right now. And if you don't win, don't worry. There's going to be more chances to win, as I always give back to the community. We just got a new subscriber as well. 15,704 subscribers. Again, what we do here is have fun, make money, have fun. This is what we do here. We have the best community, the best vibes. Welcome to the family. 15,704. Shout out to the new subscriber, man. I appreciate you. Now, I'm giving back to the community, man. I'm giving back to the community. One lucky person's going to get a chance to win. It might be you. So if you do not have a badge next to your name, leave a comment in the chat to improve the chances of you winning. If you do not have a badge next to your name, leave a comment in the chat to improve your chances of winning this gifted membership. And I appreciate each and every one of you for being here right now. Let's go ahead and get this giveaway started. Giving a few people a chance to get in there. Gifted giveaway in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gifted giveaway launched. Gifted giveaway launched. Gifted giveaway launched. Let's see who's the winner. Young Chi was just gifted a free membership by me. A free membership by me. Always giving back to the community. Always giving back to the community, man. I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all dearly. Young Chi, man, thank you. If you're listening right now, man, you just want a free membership. And if you didn't win, don't worry. There'll be more chances to win. There'll be more chances to win. And rain as well. Surprise giveaway. Surprise giveaway. Rain as well. Rain just got a free membership as well. Surprise giveaway to the DZ fam. And again, don't worry. There's going to be more chances to win. So make sure you tune in Monday. Tune in the rest of this week because I stream each day, at least a couple hours a day. So make sure you tune in as I will be doing more giveaways this week and giving back to the community. And hopefully one of you guys are the winner. So I appreciate you. Let's go ahead and move on and do the video. And then if you guys are here right now, I'd appreciate it if you would just drop a like on the video. I appreciate each and every one of you, man. And I'll continue to give back to the community in different ways. We're looking at Discord giveaways, merch giveaways, cash giveaways, all types of things. So make sure you tune into the live streams and you are subscribed to make sure you're eligible to get and participate in these things. All right, let's move on for the rest of the weekly outlook and prediction. And let's get this video started. That way we can get it out, you know, around 8:30 because we don't want to get it out much later than that. It'll be too late. Sorry if I said your name wrong. Yu Chen. I read it wrong. I'm so sorry. I do apologize. That's my mistake. Yu Chen, you were the free member. It's KYC, and then Rain Z was also a winner as well. Yeah, they're both like Chinese or Korean names, I believe, or something like that. No disrespect or anything like that. Crazy. So I appreciate each and every one of you, man, for being here. We got 67 people in the building right now. 2 brand new members because of the gifted giveaway. So I did do a gifted giveaway. And again, remember, tune in on the weekends and make sure you are subscribed. Tune in Monday, as I will be doing more gifted giveaways throughout the week. So make sure you guys tune into the live streams and you are subscribed for your chance to win. We did a surprise one. All right, let's get this video started. So we have a lot of things to cover. Green week, and I'll explain why. Bitcoin might even start getting some recovery as well. Bitcoin's oversold on the 4-hour time frame. All right, let's see if we can do this, man. I'm going to mess this video up. That's why I always do the live stream first. That way I can warm up. We got 86 likes because of that. We got 86 likes because of that. That competition to get the 75 likes. That's how crazy those competitions are. That's why I'm gonna keep doing those. If we reach a certain number of likes, which is free, then I'll do a gift to giveaway. It's perfect. It's a certain number of likes, which is free, and then I'll do a gift to giveaway. All right, let's see if we can do this. Now, if you're gonna watch the video, I appreciate it. We're about to try to break it down live. Let's see what we got here. We're gonna try to do this one take only. And then, yo, AMC's up right now. AMC's up at after hours. AMC's up in after hours. You see that? What up, Unburdened? What's good with you? I'm about to check after hours. It says AMC's up. Or in 24-hour trading. AMC's about to bottom. Green week. All right. Let's do this. Okay. We can do this, bud. We're going to say green week, green week, green week. Market's going to recover. What technicals do we have to back this up? Well, I'm going to explain. For AMC, we have all of the buy orders. RSI is trending up. Price trending down. Bullish MACD 4-hour time frame. Above the blue medium line. Okay, we got this. Let's go. All right, let's get a good starting song. This is the one. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your weekly outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. This video is not financial advice, should not be taken as such. Please do your own research and due diligence before buying any stock or crypto asset. Now, with that being said, let's go and hop into charts, facts, data, showing y'all what's going on for this week. And this week is in particularly going to be insane, as I think the market is setting up for something that not many people are going to expect and see. Let me break it down here on this video and explain why I feel the way I do and what I'm expecting to see based off the charts, facts, and data. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and hop right in. So, the first thing I want to point out here is for AMC and GME. As you can see, you are looking at green MACD right now on 4-hour time frame. Bollinger Bands constricted. If you follow my channel, then you know what this means. This is normally an indication of bullish momentum about to occur. Also, if you look at AMC, we have massive amount of buy orders, okay? That's why I said AMC is going to be holding $3, and it did hold $3. I said if we would go below $3, we would briefly go to about $2.95 and then get a bounce to the upside. This is what we are expecting to see. Now, if we do continue to hold and start to move to the upside, you're going to see AMC form that double bottom that I talked about that could potentially be forming here on the macro, which could be very, very bullish for AMC to push to the upside. Again, putting pressure on the shorts as the market continues to bleed down. Now, I don't think the market is going. I think the market is going to crash, but I'm going to explain that I think that we're going to see recovery on the way down, and I'm going to explain why that could actually help AMC this week. Okay, so I think we're going to see some recovery in SPY, and I'm going to break that down as well, and that could help give AMC a little bit of tailwind to push to the upside. Now, ultimately, overall, if SPY dumps and capitulates and then margin calls come into play, then I do think we could see a squeeze, again, similar to what we've seen on Volkswagen, okay? But that is if SPY completely capitulates, okay? Not just bleeds for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I'm talking about actual bleeding for a month and then has true capitulation, a true crash where people are literally panic selling. That's when the margin calls will occur, and we could see AMC and GME make a massive move to the upside. But I believe we are potentially setting up for this as AMC could start trending up as the market starts to trend down if AMC can find this bottom, okay? If we can form this double bottom formation here, it would be bottom 1, bottom 2. That would be pushing us up to the upside. And right now we have a strong chance that AMC is not going to break below all of these buy orders and is indeed going to push up. Now, we do have sell orders here that we have to be aware of, but the reason why those sell orders are there is because they are scared that AMC will go to these prices. Those prices go as high as 350. If AMC does get to 350, that is confirmation that, yes, indeed, this double bottom is playing out, and this could lead to a much larger macro double bottom. Again, I don't want to get people too hyped because this is looking further out on the macro, but on the weekly outlook and prediction is when we take a look at the macro, when we take a look at the bigger picture. And if we were to see that, you would see a huge move to the upside if we can get back towards that $6 range and break above that. That would form a massive macro double bottom if we can form this other macro double bottom, which is much smaller on the daily time frame, to get to this bigger macro double bottom on the weekly time frame. So again, that's looking out into the future. I don't want to get people too hyped, but it could all start if we can start moving towards 350. So what we want to see from AMC is if we can pull off a green week, and I do believe we are going to see a green week here for AMC. Now, let me break it down why I believe we're going to see that green week. Again, I mentioned the green MACD 4-hour time frame. RSI trending up as price trends down. That's called bullish divergence. So we have bullish divergence. We have green MACD, which means momentum is building bullishly on the 4-hour time frame. That's a pretty macro time frame. That means that momentum is getting strong. We also are above the blue medium line with the Bollinger Bands constricted. When the Bollinger Bands are tight, that means volatility is coming. When you're above the blue medium line, that means most likely the move will be to the upside because you're above the 20 moving average here on the bands, and that means you're going to push up. If you're below it, that means you're going to push down. We also have green MACD. These are all indications that you're most likely going to see a move to the upside for AMC. We also have the alligator starting to flatten out as well and starting to curl up, which is bullish. And if we go down to the smaller or the larger time frames, you can see that we had some buy signals as well. So this is looking very, very good here for AMC to continue to the upside and indeed hold that $3 bottom and start to move up. So this is what I'm looking at for AMC and why I believe AMC can see a green week. Now, if we look at short interest is sitting at 8.73%, and at time of recording right now, they have 4.2 million short shares. So they do have a decent amount of short shares for AMC. Cost to borrow sitting at 0.49%. Just really consolidating. We want to see cost to borrow go higher. So we do want to see cost to borrow go up. Cost to borrow is coming down for GME as well. Cost to borrow is sitting at 0.25% here for GME. We want to see cost to borrow go up for both of the meme stocks. If you see cost to borrow spike up, that could be indication that you are going to see a bullish move. At time of recording right now for GME, they have 2.1 million short shares. And of course, if we did see true capitulation from SPY, I would expect to see a move up. Even if you did see a big drop to the downside, I would expect a squeeze to the upside, similar to Volkswagen. Again, I'm not saying AMC and GME are Volkswagen, but I'm just showing you that it has happened in history where we've seen big moves to the upside as the overall market crashes on highly shorted stocks and stocks that were set up for short squeezes. So this is what I'm looking at for AMC. And let's go ahead and move into GME technicals, and then we'll move into SPY and then Bitcoin and wrap up this video. So GameStop has a gap fill to the downside. That's the one thing I'm worried about here. I think GameStop's probably going to fill that early here this week. We'll probably fill that on Monday or Tuesday. You can see it's at about 23.76 to about 23.75. So I think GameStop's going to be making a move down and then be able to make a push to the upside. So it looks like GameStop is going to be doing that bottoming process that I talked about, but this bottoming process is a prolonged process. Now again, when in doubt, zoom out. If we go ahead and look at what's going on for GameStop, GameStop's in a similar setup as well. RSI starting to trend up as price trends down. We can see that we're trying to break above the sloping support and resistance. If you see that happen, that means GameStop, this overall downtrend is ending and it's going to push up. Now, again, when in doubt, zoom out. We're breaking out of this massive falling wedge, and I believe that GameStop is trying to form a bottom similar to what we formed here. You can actually see here on the daily time frame, we're almost in a big falling wedge here on the daily time frame for GameStop. So I believe GameStop is setting up for a bottom and getting ready to move up. Again, massive falling wedge here, potentially here on the daily time frame if we break above the sloping support and resistance. I think GameStop is bottoming, but this bottoming process is going to be drawn out. I think once we do bottom, because we're making a higher low, so you can see that we've basically, and let me break it open to the longer time frame as well. You guys can see that we broke out of the falling wedge. We pushed up. We consolidated here. Then we pushed up to about 34. Then we moved back. I think we're making a higher low where we're going to be able to push up again and make a higher high. Overall, getting an overall uptrend out of this falling wedge breakout. Again, I'm not saying GameStop is Bitcoin clearly, but if GameStop did buy Bitcoin, it would correlate with Bitcoin. Maybe GameStop can get in on this dip, but you can see what a macro falling wedge does. It pushes up. You have that macro falling wedge. Then you get a push up, you consolidate, and then you get another move up. GameStop is on a very similar pattern. You can see that we have the macro falling wedge. We push up. We came back down, we consolidated, we could potentially see another move up. And there are gap fills on the weekly time frame for GameStop to the upside, as well as gap fills to the upside for AMC on the weekly and daily time frame. So again, this is why the macro double bottom could play out on AMC, and this is why the macro falling wedge could play out on GME. Overall, I think GME is going to be seeing a green week after we come down and hit these lows of about 23.75, 23.50. We're going to come down, hit those lows, and push up. You can see bullishness starting to build here on the 1 hour time frame. It's moving into the 2 hour time frame, which will move into the 4 hour time frame. So I think GME is in a similar position as AMC, and I think GME also has been following SPY a lot. And if SPY starts to move up, then you're going to see GME start to move up. So that's why I believe GME is also going to have a green week in my personal opinion. Key level that you want to see broken to the upside here for GME to confirm that we will be moving is 24.42. If GME can break and hold that, that will confirm that we can move towards 25.15. And if we can hold 25.15, we could see a decent push to the upside. So that's what I'm looking at for GME, especially if we break out of this overall sloping support and resistance and this macro falling wedge. So that's what I'm looking at for GME. Let's go ahead and move into SPY and then Bitcoin and wrap up this video. So SPY, the first things I want to point out here is core inflation and just a bit of news on AMC and GME as well. If you guys are not aware, Roaring Kitty potentially has deleted his tweets. Okay, now some people are saying they can see it on his post, but at time of recording I cannot see it. This is on my computer. At time of recording I cannot see his post unless I go to replies or media. Okay, so unless I go to replies or media, that's the only way I can see them. Okay, so this is just a little update. I did do a short video on this as well, giving you guys this information. What do you guys think this means for AMC and GME in the comment? Is Roaring Kitty abandoning the movement? Maybe he thinks the squeeze is coming and this is a signal. What do you guys think all of this means? Again, all of this is just speculation at this point. Maybe he privated his tweets and then unprivated them, and that's why it's taking time for some people to see them. And they're coming back because we are getting reports from people that they can see it even in the post. But right now, at time of recording, and again, I'll F5 it right now to refresh it, all I can do is see replies and media. And I can interact with the tweets and everything like that. But post, I see nothing. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments down below. Does it mean the squeeze is coming? Does it mean the SEC is on his back and he wants to cover things up? What do you guys think it means in the comments down below? Honestly, I don't think it's anything. I think he has privated it and then unprivated it, and that's why it's potentially lagging for some people and it's showing back up in other people's posts. But we'll look into it and continue to dig into it. But that is a little bit of AMC and GME news. Now let's go ahead and move into SPY and show you guys what's popping off here for the data drops. Jolts, we have Jolts opening on Tuesday. That's going to be huge. Nothing on Monday. Wednesday is going to be huge. It looks like inflation's actually expected to come out lower. So this could be why the market could get a little bit of bullish upside as well. That's going to be popping off on Wednesday. So if inflation does come out lower, that would be bullish for the market. I'm also going to show you some technicals on why I think SPY is going to push up as well. And that's why AMC and GME could also push up, getting a little bit of tailwind from SPY. PPI on Thursday, and then on Friday we have Michigan consumer sentiment. Now we are in extreme fear right now for the market and into fear for the crypto. Again, people are going to be buying, the smart people are going to be buying the fear, and especially extreme fear, and selling the greed. This is why we could start to see a base for the market to start to form here. Also, technicals are showing that we have a gap fill to the upside. We also have RSI trending up as price trends down. That's called bullish divergence. We're also in this channel that if we break this channel, we will definitely move to the upside. Also, we have 4-hour green MACD. And if I pop on the Bollinger Bands, you can see that we are the bands are getting tight, but we are below the blue medium line right now. And I'm going to explain what key levels we need to look for in order to see if we are indeed going to move up. Now, if SPY is indeed going to move up as I'm expecting that we could even potentially see some pullback on Monday and Tuesday. But later in the week, around Wednesday, especially if we get that bullish report on inflation, we could start to see a movement up. So again, this bullishness doesn't have to come right in the beginning of the week. Monday and Tuesday could be a little bit bearish, but again, key levels we want to see is if we hold this 573.91. If we hold that level, then we will move to the upside. If we break below that level and confirm it as resistance, we will fall hard. If SPY moves to the upside and holds 577.05, that's confirmation that we will probably move towards this gap fill at 580 to 581.88. So that means that, yes, we will be moving up if we can break and hold 577.05, and if we, of course, can hold the 573.91. I believe that we could potentially break below that 573.91 in the beginning of the week, but I think we will move up. Again, RSI trending up as price trending down. That means SPY has to flatten out and will correct up. I believe we're going to get that flattening out process in the beginning of the week and then a push to the upside, giving SPY an overall green week. Now, when I say a green week, I don't mean a huge, massive rally green week, but definitely a green week that could start off bearish, but in the later half of the week start to move up. I think we will see a green week for SPY, and I think it's going to catch a lot of people off guard. I think SPY is going to flatten out and correct to the upside and start to move up. We need to watch these key levels to see if SPY will indeed do that. But based off of my analysis, I think SPY is going to see a green week. You can see that key stocks like NVIDIA that have absolutely bled out. Their RSI is getting very, very low, and it looks like they're also trying to stage an attack. You can see RSI trending up as price trends down. They're holding key levels, NVIDIA key level at 109.65. If NVIDIA is able to hold that, it will push up and bring the overall market with it as well. So some of the stocks that have been bleeding are now oversold, and buyers will be stepping in, helping the market get a push to the upside, in my personal opinion. So that's why I think SPY will be green, having a green week, in my personal opinion. So let's go ahead and move into crypto and then wrap up this weekly outlook and prediction. Now, if everybody here, man, I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Let's go ahead and move into BTC. So BTC did break down out of the bearish pennant. I made a short video warning people about this yesterday. You have this move down, then you have the bearish pennant staying underneath the key level of 91.6K, which is bearish, and then we move down. Again, similar to NASDAQ, and this is also Bitcoin still kind of trending with it. You can see you had this double top formation. You had a double top formation here on BTC, and that is playing out. Top one, top two, and that is playing out. That could send us down again a little bit lower. I think this is a shakeout for BTC. I explained it in the live stream. I did a live stream with this video. It could be a shakeout for BTC. BTC's narrative overall is very, very, very bullish. We have the Bitcoin crypto reserve. There's no reason why Bitcoin should be moving down. We have things going very, very well for BTC. Bitcoin crypto reserve, ETFs are seeing inflows. So this is why I think Bitcoin is in an accumulation range, and this is a shakeout. Again, Bitcoin rainbow chart showing us that if we go any lower, it's literally in the buy zones and fire sale zones. I believe that we're seeing a shakeout on BTC because once you own a piece of the 21 million pie, they have to shake that away from you. They have to make you sell it in order to get it. So I believe that we're seeing this. I've seen this plenty of times in crypto before where the underlying narrative is bullish and there are bullish things happening in crypto, but crypto starts pulling back. It overall leads to a much bigger move to the upside. And I believe that the move that we're going to see after this accumulation range, because you can see that Bitcoin has literally been in these lower bands for such a long time, is going to be absolutely disgusting. But we might need to come back down to, the 72 to 58K range to see a little bit of accumulation before moving up. Now, BTC is having a hard time being pushed down, so that doesn't mean we have to come down to that range, but you can also see that there is more evidence that we potentially might be coming down there because we have buy orders down there. 72 to 69, here's buy orders at 66 to 65. That's on the 4-hour time frame. Daily time frame has buy orders here at 72 down to 69. Again, people are looking for BTC to come down here and start buying in this overall accumulation range. And it makes sense for BTC, after coming with that double top, to come down back into this accumulation range before being able to move to the upside. And that would allow people, smart people, to accumulate more BTC before getting an overall higher high, which I think Bitcoin will continue making higher highs. And if you look at Bitcoin's history, that's all it's done. It does have bear markets, but it always ends up making a higher high. That's why I hold and buy and hold BTC. Now, of course, with Bitcoin dropping, altcoins are going to flush out as well. Bitcoin dominance extremely high. So we are seeing this potential double top form here on Ethereum. Ethereum has a gap fill down here at 800. If I see Ethereum go anywhere near $800, I will be buying more Ethereum. I'm going to definitely be buying more Bitcoin. Again, I hold top projects. Coins like XRP are still holding up gains for the year. If you look at XRP, XRP is still up 242% for the year. It did make a 550% move total, but still up 242% for the year. And you can see there are some other coins as well that are making moves and some other anomalies. But again, top projects will be okay. XLM still up 84% for the year. Bitcoin still up 17% for the year. Top projects will be okay. XRP, again, is going to be following Bitcoin. If Bitcoin pulls back, it's going to create buying opportunities. If Bitcoin pulls back, altcoins are going to pull back, and that's why you're seeing altcoins absolutely bleed right now. So again, I think we might be seeing a crypto shakeout, but there is no reason to be scared. Again, buy the fear, sell the greed. If we go any lower, that would be putting us into extreme fear, letting me know that indeed, yes, this is a buying opportunity. And if you guys look at the macro and line up prices with Bitcoin fear and greed, if you literally buy the fear, extreme fear, and sell the extreme greed, you'll sell the bottom and top all the time. So this is a great indicator to know when it is definitely time to go in. When you see that extreme fear, definitely a buy signal. In my personal opinion, if we go any lower, we're going to be going into extreme fear. We're going to be going into basically a fire sale, which is probably going to be, again, once in a lifetime buying opportunities, the same way buying Bitcoin at 28K was way back when I called for the Bitcoin bull run. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your weekly outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. If you found this video informative, go ahead and drop a like and press subscribe for more content just like this. If you watch this during the live stream, I truly appreciate you. Thank you so much. And if you want to support the channel in a different way, you can check out the merch store or leave a super chat. I constantly give away gifted memberships, so make sure you tune into the live streams to get your chances to win. And we're going to move into Discord giveaways, merch giveaways, and so much more. So make sure you subscribe, like, and tune into the live streams to make sure you're eligible to participate in those things. And I thank each and every one of you that allowed me to get this far. If you want to support for absolutely free, just leave a like, comment down below. And as always, y'all, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. All right, that's how you do that. I think I got like one edit in there I got to make. But other than that, I'll be cool. We just got a new subscriber, 15,705. Thank you. Shout out to the new subscriber. I don't know what time I'm going to be on, brother. Sorry. I wish I could tell you. The best thing you can do is put the notifications on. Put the bell notifications on. The fact that Ethereum's breaking down out of this macro accumulation is definitely bad. We have this major support here. If we lose that, we're coming down. But we'll get a sharp bounce up. RSI is already getting very oversold on these bigger time frames. I think that was a pretty good video. Do you guys think it was good? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, y'all. I have to get to editing this video. It's getting later than I thought. So I have to get to editing this video, get the thumbnail made, and get this baby dropped. So hopefully it can get at least 1,000 views. So I appreciate y'all. It's already 8:30, so it's going to be dropping late. That's going to not be good for the video's views. If you guys are going to watch it, I'd appreciate it if you guys just drop a like on it, man. I'd appreciate that. Help me get towards that 1,000 view goal. Yo, we almost got 100 likes. That's crazy. That's actually wild. Yo, I watched a video. Where the guy showed his viewers how to rug pull people. It was horrible. His whole video was just showing people how to rug pull. It literally showed people how to rug pull and make fake coins and then just rug pull them. YouTube lets stuff like that on here, but it will take down my stuff. Crazy. All right, y'all. I appreciate each and every one of you, man. I'm going to be out. Thank you all. Almost 100 likes, 99 likes. That's crazy, man. I appreciate each and every one of you. As always, y'all, have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out. And tune in tomorrow for the live stream and a video after the market. So I appreciate all of you, man. You already know what it is. Stay safe, man. And hopefully I see you tomorrow. Get on the DMZ, bro. Hop on, bro. Hop on. You know what it is. It's lit. Me and Skater turned up the other day, bro. Thanks for the support. See you, everybody. Peace, Kai Supreme. Tyler, Party. Joshua, thank you for being here.
And have fun.
Hey, Dex.
What up, C12? I appreciate everybody here who's still here right now. Thank you so much if you're still watching. You're an absolute legend. 500 views, over 100 likes, which is insane. 2-hour live stream. Video is dropping. It's uploading right now, so I'm going to be ending the stream. If you guys want to get an update on everything, you can check out the video or you can check out the replay of the live stream. Appreciate each and every one of you that participated today. We did a gifted giveaway during a live stream. Make sure you tune in tomorrow for more entertainment, more stock and crypto news, technical analysis, predictions, and everything in between. As always, y'all, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.